no problem say mo report say o okay name no
me kai pa
we no so betimi kura kwa abra wonye yi e bi ni say na fe Isaac na jibo
me kai Kotoko de no Kwame Poku de no was asem na no ayedin
say anything
Kwame de no it got to do with Kwame Hamza na ono no giri yesa Hamza na mpeda asem na say coach bia no ba onye den obenya report ho na say Kwame de no coach no fine na ye discipline sha no Kwame Poku de no ti da o report too late no
na sa report no say technical team ni nyina na ye ya na
yes enyo no nko good by Kwame de feel say Hamza no and I yes I did
so obi nya da wa hu
very good nti ono na yes I nto mpena asem nti na janitor muka
okay
ti da report
adi asa ba bi
and that report too late no coaches no say on chase ntia o ye late na nti ono so ni ko boss say Hamza
go for o ma can come ho asem dada
very good I can come ho asem dada
okay
ti no na say issue no start ya nti Kwame de number no maame alleged good
it is alleged say
ne maame kese Hamza pa
maame bi frɛ
Hamza
o matime establish say abrante na maame
boss call Hamza
na me say call na be o matime establish say
ne maame
oh okay
yes to any okay cause
ana obi na de ne maame phone ye ko
da ne maame Kwame maame
ni manwa
boss okay to any onu so kasa pa ama Hamza hu say na de ma ye de na okay kasa e kire me sabi ye de nyina ye ne wa training obani su ene ma na ye say
nti asam no kwa kodi Hamza bomb info amane
very good ti asam no kodi suntre so police station mto mo frɛ ne maame no
o so de ka internal ya na
na say wo kase me na wo dome me dia o say me ma ye hwehwe me bia na obetim kra attack me ato ase nti etra agudie aye fa me aye binu na nkono mo ye nti coaches no survey ya no mo kan no ayi ifitiam say that wo kan nti na wie ye na o say coaches later mo sa frɛ kwa me say o ha no mo a o modern mo no ye wo strikers be insia na nya dia obesum nti is either obekwa akopɛ
ne gina asem ne sie no so ana se training no me
say boss o ne nko ho ana so maka ne minu na abu
okay
later the final ne yes o catch kwa me say o performance no strikers now are looking at the omoye no I said
who kwampugu no striker be na o tu no
so se dogo ho minta ho awuche no kra de so nam kwa so nso awuche mbo ne din kan so awuche so ho o mo boss strikers nyina anti na yese o mo hwe akwa me nso
we dey asem fofra
sa
na kwa me we mo ya de chen we mo na
kwa me se na se no mo de mo ba fo mo na o de no so sa kan ho na ha adwene
okay
ti de ko fa
and na e ba akoro no oh okay nti asem no propose for
oh se bia no de o metima aka
o ya be okay no me say players bi so eden
e bi to aso yes e bi to aso
ma o ma chocho din wa
uche ka ho
on event no
Elvis Cheba for
dina wa handem so wo
ba sa Prince Bedu ka ho
Prince Bedu bi so ha
Prince Bedu
Francis Akwabi wa
Francis Akwabi free be chimba ye no
Benjamin Twum bi wa
very good akra no so akra no se nkaira no ho nsem on be na boni ma nyina de na koso camp na ni different o mo twe na so kra e ma de tokopa acho timi nim se ono de no so ye modern mo ana se performance ana se subai no
and they say no am so mo nko free ana
na bi se de Kotoko this are so ma player bi nko free is either loan your word will be loan and answer copy club brand in town
o go tia baby
so
na me nya bi azam medwam ka o
ene
na ka me copy we na wa
but dem bi me ho
na me hu Augustine Randolph
on so ever justify
Asante
Boahin coach ibai ya no mo so
amu akọ justify
amfa
oh okay na polo so tu Benjamin Sarefo
say on turu kwai no nko pes camera na ha de
no so o say afi has be bomodin pa
Benjamin Sare na ka pese ndie has momodin no
me ka Benjamin Sare na ka
but polo no
so say has nema has be no o ka odin ho aka hu
na polo so turu fo say wa kan wi mum na mum mesro ma so na ko pes camera na
Black Queens for no so na ka so mo ya isem That's American
identity boss
Ghana and Nigeria the attitude we know AFCON on the traditional almost shase a ball my ball no but teams Zambia a ball na Malawi Cameroon you say Senegal is fine omania brepa Algeria say yes she omo ba de ko ball ombo any this has Cameroon the penalty shy ntimi anti o say any Mali Yeah, you and Mali and one.
Yes, you ba.
But Mali winning row.
I am winning.
But we should be able to beat them.
Sure.
Meaning say I see no.
Yes.
Guess no Becky come hona. Omana satellites also.
Yes. That's what I could feel.
Maso mama.
So they do many.
Okay. All right, you know, that's it.
Madam also call Marco do a Ivory Coast. Omo kwa preseason omo to aso.
Oh, hold on, because omo cross over Caribbean.
Caribbean. Omo 3 weeks ho.
Oh, okay.
49 man continue and then ko
49.
So technical we playing body women management. Omo ko
preseason 49.
Oh, there be a friend, be a players crab baby 20 pass the players 30 na.
Nada no on 30.
Obi ko preseason no nipa 49 kwa.
Boss.
Na abojo boss ana omo go.
Omo ko boss.
Omo fa mo nkola aka kra mbe so promote omo.
Aside team no kwa no officials ne.
Omo nya di akiri.
So ko be boss.
Omo gwere.
Ya for mo men no.
Management back up for boss.
Yeah, no football here to tonight.
Na me dem so they travel well.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, boss.
So what only more.
We onye players in your familiar with them. And no be din wo Abidjan na. Esom do mu kuka ho. So tell me chana say. Na ni nyina no hwe na o several players ne kama. So
several players ni mpie.
Enye ni pie na we pie ne but
omo no man tie kurom die.
Ombedi omoduane a at least omo ye familiar with.
So omo normal check ya na.
E bia no mo pa check. So the check dey ko ya na city ni amu ye. Ti na no mu say you do.
All right, you know that's it. Thank you very much. Yeah, go ahead.
For the E20 day, I don't pay my who could be say Maxwell say he will try to fix now there's nothing to fix down there.
Oh, there's nothing to so lose back up.
There's nothing to fix down. He has to be fixed.
He has to be fixed as a.
Oh, say he can. He's not in 2026. Also, E20. You are only giving yourself problem.
How then?
2026. You be a genie. You see, I dare young person be tears and say, "Sir, can for now." Consider the group no.
Maxwell canini.
So can first guy the uncle first one. You have the first one now.
Of Germany. Only no.
Come on, no first abad. Omono. They are fading out.
Hey,
I no, they are going.
Na maso kwed move fading out.
They are going. And they say,
how much age is saying?
Oh, your age, no, but their understanding of the current football, no.
And I'm not going to go to sir.
You see, only the difference between
and difference.
Money, almost your idea.
Neither know
they try to improve. Well, but they
oh, that man.
They almost can't
I don't know.
Until you don't see any changes in their coaching. Oh, so I'm coaching here. No difference. Dear, oh yeah, no, now that you now and one in 2026. So you don't see an improvement. Honestly, if we want to be serious, that is one area that we have to tackle. The overcycling of those old guys, no, AI too many. And what they are not performing. Then we continue to recycle them. Woka, Ubra, and Koya. Let's find a very competent young person. Give him the job on a very long run in a fatigue manner. So no one interfere.
As some are okay.
Now, about 10 says the mouse of honestly.
I want to quite say on your opinion. If you can buy you for Mokrade, some do more SP or my check. Now, I was when you're here, no more like a baby.
I've been coaching, no, so no coaching you on a bash more.
No. And yes, they wouldn't quite know
the maker says, be bound or Munya.
This young man can't retire coaching. Noodles on go and go.
Jose.
Let me see.
The master on team. I'm why on your
Omo batch no first Omo Okano. I think there was another person from Paul Manson. Was Omo no
Munya number national team dear. National team dear. Omo what am say open national team especially the youth where development is very key. Where we see this U20 they are the nearest to blasters. na omo mwa
yati
what am problem no until so better be any club football be any problem but if Oman you are serious pa nemrema that be U20 yem fam mouse omo that be mwa
mate me de anye convince de ba mate
the pass what
oh mate yo kamat
the pass
me I'm struggling to find out why
oh that be oh yeah to see opa your opinion his
say na kwesi apia ka ho
opinion pusi ya obahu
kwesi apia mo hobi
isi me problem me say me ka say mo nkochi bi mu
omunya na say
and the U20 baby ye football jira no they are no mo na say ye
dey da ko nim
so mo develop say how well so baby am jira
chairman mate ko
nti ho ara me jira
chairman Zach mate
yanko eni mi so to say Benjamin Sare the reason why Agbeshi Solomon and any team no so monti as to stay as a folk no na ye too microphone onum one area omo transfers in football goalkeepers this one place that omo transfers papa now no put some body one say this boy say Bali say Stanley mobile it said in Bali I'm not sure but say Stanley first national on the first choice goalkeeper Nigeria. And he has been the first one for Nigeria for almost more than 5 years in the AFCON World Cups and then he's the first choice goalkeeper. But he's struggling to move to get a club. He wants to leave South Africa. For all these years, why uncle Nigeria first choice goalkeeper for almost more than 5 years in here. And you understand why Agbeshi camp were not willing to commit their future to Hasbro because there's a belief say maybe ana asare move on come if you commit yourself to Hasbro who be number second choice once again to asare because a very obvious say a goalkeeper of the national team there unti simple sir you understand why Agbeshi unko took that decision polo advice and nke pa but the biggest challenge getting leaving no adding if Asare will have to leave I will say those agents no and the handlers no and so we pa to get him a club for him to move I guess the obeko one season that's not on one has number 1 goalkeeper because enye transferring goalkeepers and the agent no Mwa unse being a Blasters goalkeeper at the point number 1 before this World Cup Ziggy A2 if he is a young goalkeeper and unse onya sa Blasters number 1 and know they got a lot of teams will chase if it's a honest they will sign you but an age those clubs a lot of clubs will adamant to sign a goalkeeper more than 30 years are free this league so say over better bench keke there be at this stage and I did them sorry but let's see it's good if you maybe I will do so quite bonti and ebo more that's what best that is obvious based on how our system net here let's see what will come from Sanyama so to also Kotoko any the players any Kwame Poku and some the alleged call no Kwame Poku many all those news so to footballers I'm in the how more because you see for a player to think say coach and permit him to the level that as Onona I'm paying for it takes certain decision against me for that matter more be afraid to insult and threaten and those some so too if you say a quarter maybe a song quarter obvious say Kwame Poku had a bad season that was last year Uncle Yukra a lot of fans believe the reason because of team this year but you had second chance unsenka management ni buy na say boy di buy na come for report na I'm seeing Jato Wana. Kampoku or place I got almost 10 gun grab community okra. Kampoku was one of the guys now top on the list of players of community training gun okra. But this team decided say Munina Mumbra say if the farm on Ebia and Tessa, Ebia you can prove that yes I'm not here. So come and prove yourself to us. Obaya then assistant coach. Who's how body? He tried to not to take it you. Just that assistant coach team no mudi nkomo. I'm say there be a serious matter. You can't keep it for yourself. Because for someone to call you and threaten you, a serious matter. And let's report you to the director of football. And I could do yes, I'm have to go and do police reports and it's money now. Kwampoku and the Bampedi. Prince Bedu.
Say so be to improve.
Okay, and the Yabafan is Prince Chene. Okay, listen, dear. I'm say one person a friend is saying Scar Kotoko. I look at all Prince Beduni dear. At least you expect in the Senka. Kotoko Bejano because Kotoko paid big money to sign him from Nations last January or no Prince Beduno. January heat no or two heat so heat and me heat
so what we there anamba come just say one about half a season or go pay team and say or call loan and say and now they will take decisions on them later.
So if who another coach am I guess you are not part of his plan. That one is done everywhere. On camera plans and see either we find a place for you or you also be then bring it. That's a we will not register you. You still stay with and tell you the other
now all right, you will.